Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a small uterine polyp. You can see the urinary bladder, uterus, and a polyp is seen in the distal portion of the uterine cavity. Overgrowth of cells in the lining of the uterus, that is endometrium, leads to the formation of uterine polyps, also known as endometrial polyps. Endometrial polyps are a common cause of abnormal uterine bleeding. Normally, women naturally expel these endometrial cells during menstruation. Some women, however, the growth of in some women, the growth of the cells becomes excessive, resulting either in a flat or protruding growths called endometrial polyps, or in the thickening of the endometrium called the endometrial hyperplasia. You can see the polyp, and in this view it measures about 16.8 millimeter into 8.4 millimeter, quite a small polyp. Women with atypical hyperplasia in a polyp were slightly more likely to have hyperplasia in the surrounding endometrium than those with complex hyperplasia. Conclusion is that this study shows that the risk of endometrial hyperplasia in a polyp concurrently involving non-polypid endometrium is significant. Now you can see the transverse view of this polyp. The exact reason that polyp form is unknown, but swings in the hormone levels may be a factor. Estrogen, which plays a role in causing endometrium to thicken each month, also appears to be linked to the growth of the uterine polyp. Endometrial hyperplasia is a condition in which the lining of the uterus grows too thick. Endometrial intraepithelial neoplasia, that is EIN, a precancerous condition in which areas of the lining of the uterus grows too thick. It is rare for uterine polyps to be cancerous if they are not causing problems. Monitor the polyps over time is a reasonable approach. If you develop symptoms such as abnormal bleeding, however, then the polyps should be removed and evaluated to confirm that there is no evidence of cancer. Now the uterine polyps range in size from few millimeters, that is not larger than a sesame seed, to several centimeters, that is golf ball size or larger. They attach to the uterine wall by a large base or a thin stalk. You can find some important videos in the playlist of the uterine polyps on my channel, and you will see the stalk in some cases. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.